Students, this is Sivakumar, 10th Standard Mathematics, Chapter number 1, continuation of exercise 1.4. Now problem number 2. A function f from a to b, already I told you a represents the domain and b represents codomain. Be a function defined by f of x equals x by 2 minus 1, where a equals 2, 4, 6, 10 and 12, b equals 0, 1, 2, 4, 5 and 9. Represent f by a set of ordered pairs, table, arrow diagram and a graph. It is an important question, very important question. Problem number 2. So f of x given, set a and b given, then you have to represent ordered pairs, table, arrow diagram and graph. Okay, listen. F of x, that is equal to x by 2 minus 1. A to B there. So what are the elements in A? 2, 4, 6, 10 and 12. So you have to find out f of 2, f of 4, f of 6, f of 10, f of 12. F of 6, f of 10 and f of 12. X equals to, replace x by 2 over here. 2 by 2 minus 1. Next one, 4 by 2 minus 1. Next one, 6 by 2 minus 1, next one, 10 by 2 minus 1, last one, 12. Replace x by 12. 12 by 2 minus 1. Have to simplify. 2 to get cancelled, 1 will be there. So 1 minus 1 equals 0. 2 table how many times? 2 times. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. 2 table how many times? 3 times. 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. 2 table how many times? 5 times. 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. 2 table how many times? 6 times. 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5. Now subdivision number 1. Set of ordered pairs. Set of ordered pairs. F from A to B given. So write F equals ordered pairs inside the set brackets. See, what is the image of 2? 0. So 2 comma 0. What's the image of 4? 1. So 4 comma 1. Image of 6 is 2. 6 comma 2. Image of 10 is 4. 10 comma 4. Image of 12 is 5. 12 comma 5. Set of ordered pairs over. Next one, table, second subdivision. A table. In A, how many elements? Totally 5 elements. So 5 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here you have tried x, next f of x. Here x represents domain and f of x represents range. Okay. X, what are the elements in x? At A represents 2, 4, 6, 10 and 12. Right here 2, 4, 6, 10 and 12. Already I told you f of x represents range. See, here it is. What are they? 0, 1, 2, 4 and 5. 0, 1, 2, 4 and 5. Table over. Next one, an arrow diagram. See here, what are the two sets? A and B. Write the domain and codomain. A represents domain and B represents codomain. A function f from A to B. Look at that. A function f from A to B. Okay. What are the elements in A? 2, 4, 6, 10 and 12. Right? 2, 4, 6, 10 and 12. Then what are the elements in codomain? 0, 1, 2, 4, 5 and 9. 0, 1, 2, 4, 5 and 9. Now, what is the image of 2? 0. So you have to map from 2 to 0. Image of 2 is 0. Image of 4 is 1. Image of 4 is 1. Image of 6 is 2. Image of 6 is 2. Image of 10 is 4. Image of 10 is 4. Finally, image of 12 is 5. So an extra element is there. It doesn't matter. So the question is arrow diagram. We have to map from domain to codomain. That's all. Now, fourth subdivision, graph. X, Y, here domain, here codomain, here 0. So what are the elements in domain? 2, 4, 6, 10 and 12. So multiples of 2 only. I consider 1 centimeter equal 2 units. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Approximately had to plot the points. That's all. Next here 0, 1, 2, 4, 5 and 9. Right? When the next to 5 is 9. So you have to consider 1 centimeter equals 1 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Enough. Now first point here, look at that, that set of ordered pairs. Here it is. These are the points to be plotted in a graph. That's all. First one, 2, 0. 2, 0, the point lies on x-axis. You know how to plot the points in a graph. This is the first point, 2, 0. Second point, 4, 1. So 4 in x-axis, 1 in y-axis. This is the point 4, 1. Next one, 6, 2. 6 in x-axis, 2 in y-axis. 6, 2. 10, 4. 10 in x-axis, 4 in y-axis. Okay, 10 in x-axis, 4 in y-axis here. Okay, 10, 4. And look at that, we have one more point, that is 12. 2, 4, 6, 10 and 12. So I take 12 over here. 12. Final point is 12, 5. 12 in x-axis, 5 in y-axis. 12, 5. 12, 5. Oh, just plot the points. Can write better to write scale in x-axis. 1 centimeter equals 2 units. Correct? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So 1 centimeter equals 2 units, and in y axis we consider 1 centimeter equals 1 unit. That's all, very important one. Keep on practicing. So problem number 2 is over. I'll be teaching problem number 3 in the next video. Thank you, children.